Students, we are given this question. Find the area of the region bounded by the line 7x negative 5y equal to 35, comma, the x-axis, and the lines x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 3. So you are given 7x negative 5y equal to 35. So first find the x-intercept. Now to get the x-intercept, you need to put y equal to 0 in this equation. If you do that, you get 7x negative 5 of 0 is equal to 35, which means 7x is equal to 35, which means x is equal to 35 divided by 7, which means x is equal to 5. So you have a point x is equal to 5 when y is equal to 0. This is for the x-intercept. Next, you find y-intercept. Now to get y-intercept, you need to put x is equal to 0 in this equation. So that would mean 7 of 0 negative 5 times y is equal to 35. This is negative 5y is equal to 35. This is y equals negative 35 divided by 5. So y is equal to negative 7. So this is got when x is equal to 0. Now what you need to do is you have to draw the graph. So 5 comma 0, let me take the point here, and negative 7 comma 0, let me take the point here, negative 7 comma 0. So you connect the points like this. Okay, so this is roughly the line. Now we have got x is equal to 3. So if this point is going to be x is equal to 3, then it's going to be something like this. And x is equal to minus 2. If this point is going to be x is equal to minus 2. Let me take this point. Okay, so this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So minus 2, let this point be minus 2. So this is x is equal to minus 2 and this is x is equal to 3. Okay, don't scale the graph. So we are asked to find this region. Okay, find the area between x-axis and the line x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 3. So the required area formula. So as I mentioned to you, x changes from negative 2 to positive 3. So whenever x changes, okay, changes in x is represented as dx. So the required area would be integral x changes from negative 2 to positive 3. That change is represented as dx. The only variable you can place inside is y. Why should you place y? Because y is a function of x. Remember that. Now you are given, what are you given? You're given that the line is 7x negative 5y is equal to 35. So move this x to this side. So you get negative 5y is equal to 35 negative 7x. So this means I multiply by negative 1 both sides. I get 5y is equal to 7x negative 35, which means y is equal to 7x negative 35 divided by 5. I can rewrite this as 7 divided by 5 times x negative 7. I can rewrite it like this. So therefore required area is equal to integral negative 2 to positive 3. You got 7 over 5 times x negative 7 times dx. I rewrite this as 7 over 5 integral negative 2 to 3 x times dx, and then negative 7 times minus 2 to 3 times dx. So when you integrate this, integral of x would give you x squared. Limits are negative 2 to 3. Of course, it's going to be x squared divided by 2, followed by negative 7. Integral of dx will give you x negative 2 to 3. Now this is equal to 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Substitute the upper limit. It's going to be 3 squared followed by a negative sign and a negative 2, raise it to the power of 2, followed by 7 times, substitute the upper limit, followed by a negative sign, substitute the lower limit. This can be rewritten as 7 divided by 10 of 3 squared is 9, negative 2 squared is 4, followed by 7. 3 negative of negative 2 will give you 3 positive 2. This can be rewritten as 7 over 10 times 9 negative 4 will give you 5, followed by negative 7. 3 positive 2 will give you 5. Now 5 divides 10 two times, so you get 7 over 2 followed by 35. You can take the LCM as 2, rewrite this as 7 negative 70. So this is equal to negative 63 divided by 2. Now you know that area cannot be negative. So I take the modulus sign and rewrite this as 63 divided by 2. This is my area. But since we are dealing with area, you need to write it as square units. So the final answer, I can just sum it up. Required area is equal to 63 divided by 2 square units, and you can box the result.